Quick mangosteen recipes, smoothie, and tropical salad. Do you want to bring a touch of exoticism to your kitchen? Try these easy mangosteen recipes. The first proposal is a tropical smoothie. Mix 1 cup of mangosteen pulp, 1 ripe banana, and 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Add a little honey for extra sweetness and blend until creamy. You can also add ice for a refreshing drink. For an exotic fruit salad, combine mangosteen with pieces of pineapple, kiwi, and mango. Add a little lime juice and a pinch of mint and honey. Mangosteen adds a sweet and juicy taste, perfect for any exotic recipe. Exotic fruit and vegetable salad, to eat it as it is, as a snack, or for lunch, together with grilled fish. Mix these ingredients in a bowl. A cup of fruit pieces, mangosteen, kiwi, grapes, 1 tablespoon of walnuts of your choice. Coarsely chopped 5 shelled shrimp, cooked and halved, 1/2 cup of cooked corn kernels, a crushed garlic clove, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Bon appetit. Cool tropical smoothie. To mangosteen fruits pulp, to 100 milliliters of cold coconut milk, and optionally, a teaspoon of natural sweetener without calories. Blend for a few seconds in the blender, and the smoothie is ready. For a drink with fewer calories, you can replace the coconut milk with plain almond milk. Of course, if you want a smoothie with even more antioxidants, you can add other fruits: apple, apricot, peach, etc. Add ice for a refreshing drink. These tropical recipes are a tasty, refreshing, and healthy treat.